Did you know that Valencia is the birthplace of paella? Well, let me take you to a journey in the Spanish gem.
So easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost.
Good morning everyone, Andrea here. So today I'm in Valencia and I'm going to do Masterchef, which means cooking. So Valencia is famous for paella. So first of all, we're going to a local market to get ingredients and afterwards we're going to cook. We are finally here, so she's Maria, a local from Valencia. So,
Hello.
what is paella and what ingredients did we get in the market?
Paella, guys, is more than a meal. For us, it's a feeling. It's the most typical Valencian meal and Spanish meal. And the ingredients we're gonna need are, of course, rice.
Of
and
course.
then we're gonna need a variety of beans, green beans, butter beans. We're gonna need tomatoes. We're gonna need chicken and rabbit. And we can use snails or not. That's gonna be up to your taste, okay?
So it's time to cook! Woo! Okay, it would take way too long to explain in detail the whole process. We were 3 separate teams, and I was responsible of salt, cutting ingredients, and making sure everything was well cooked in the middle of the wok. And thanks to the amazing support of our teachers, this was our final result. And then we were ready to eat and drink.
My